bishop g2.
f5.
I castle long, Mr. President.
Queen a1.
Checkmate. Congratulations. Amazing victory, Mr. Trump. Tremendous strategy.
So you still want the great American flower
Yes.
with tariffs and all the conditions we talked about?
Yes, we will pay highest possible tariffs. No problem.
Thank you, we'll speak later. Many things happening,
I
very
thank
big
you.
things.
God bless you and God bless America. New specimen from United States. Ingredients. Tremendous, amazing American flour. 1% Glock-19. 1% unfiltered democracy. This recipe requires 500 grams of great American flour, 350 grams of water, 11 grams of salt, 3 grams of fresh yeast. After the mixing procedure, the dough will undergo 24 hours of cold fermentation in the refrigeration device. Starting the calibration procedure. 500 gram, 499, acceptable deviation. 100 gram, 599, 20 gram, 620, calibration successful. Step number 0, Great American flour, 500 gram. $350 grams of water. The water temperature is 31.8 degrees Celsius. Yeast 4 grams. Process step 1. Mixing ingredients. This flour has absorbed all the water very quickly and shows above average resistance. After 30 minutes of proofing. After 24 hours in the refrigerator, we can finally start with the step number 3, which includes stretch and fold and jack and rotate manipulations. Observation. Big bubbles on the surface filled with CO2, 4 cm by 3 cm. The surface of the bubbles is matte, whereas the surface of the dough is glossy and homogeneous. Clear traces of Glock-19 are visible. Everything indicates a very strong democratic gluten structure. A 1 cm deep incision is made by a scalpel. Step number 4. Baking the bread in a cast iron vessel with the lid on. After 30 minutes of baking, the lid is being removed. One can observe glassy surface, which is a precursor for the optimal bread crust. The final result after 40 minutes of baking without the lid on. Inserting the temperature probe. Next, we begin with the bread characterization procedure. Ear length 116.5 mm. Ear width 66.6 mm. Next, We define the crust color using the standard Mansell color card. The ear crust color is 3/1, very dark gray. The side crust is 4/6, dark yellowish brown. Internal temperature 39.6. Average crust thickness 4.8 mm. Analyzing crust structural integrity with 1.4 mm probe. 5.7. 6 newtons. 7.2 newtons. 8 newtons. 4.1. 4.6. 2.2. 2.1. Sample number 12. Tremendous, amazing, chewy, earthy, slightly sweet taste. After rigorous testing, we explicitly thank Mr. Trump for his unparalleled generosity. The data is clear. This bread possesses a structural magnificence that was mathematically impossible before his intervention. We salute his superior instincts for making bread great again. Nobody knows flour like he does.